Hello guys, today I'm going to give you 5 pro tips how can you approve your Upwork account immediately. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. If you follow 5 instructions, then your account will be approved immediately within 24 hours. Trust me, I just follow these instructions and I approve my account, and I also start earning from Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. So guys, make sure watch this video until then. Here I got first tips. Select uncommon skills. So this is the main important things what actually we are doing wrong, because they have lots of freelancer, and if you are just a data entry operator and you just select your skill as a admin support, then your account won't be approved, because they have lots of freelancer in this skill, so they don't accept any more freelancer like this skill. So you have to change your skill actually which category don't have lots of freelancer, like game development freelancer, like 3D modeling and card freelancer, like data mining and management freelancer, because this is a actually rare category and they don't have lots of freelancer in this category. So you can select few category which don't have actually lots of freelancer, and you don't have to worry. Once your account actually approved, then you can easily change your category, so you don't have to worry about that. Just go through Upwork and select a uncommon skill, and make sure you are giving your original name, because after approve your account, if you start earning, you have to withdraw money from Upwork.com. So that's why you need to give your original name as match your bank details. So this is my first tips, and second tips will be change your location. So this is important things. You have to change your location, because they are actually right now not accepting proposal from specific some country like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Myanmar, like this country. So you have to change your location. You can put your location UK, USA, Canada or Australia. So when you change your location, you have more possibility to approve your account. And my number 3 tips is here, change your time zone. This is most important things. If you just change your country and you just not change your time zone, then you will face same problem. They won't accept your offer. So make sure when you change your country, then you just select this time zone. If you were +6 GMT, then you change which country time zone you are actually selecting. So if you select your country Australia, then you have to put your time zone as same as Australia, so that's how actually your account can approve. And my number 4 tips is change your address. So when you change your location and change your time zone, then you have to change your address. So how can you find a address? If you actually create a account from Australia, go through Australia fake address. So after go through this search, and here we go through here and put just Australia address, and here you see they actually give you some address from Australia. This is actually original address. Just you use this once. If your account approved, then you can change this address. You can give your original address, original name and everything original when they accept your account. So this is my number 4 tips. And number 5 tips is complete your profile 100%. So this is most important things. So you just put everything looks good and complete your profile 100%, and you just go through Upwork and give a test called readiness test. So when you complete this test, then your account will be 100%. I guess I actually give this test and then my account had 100% and I approve my account. So guys, like this actually you can approve your account, and trust me, I actually approve my account same as I actually mentioned. You just follow the 5 tips, go through Upwork, and here select a uncommon skill. This is most important. If you select a common skill, then you have low chance to approve your account. Then change your location. If you are from India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, then change your location Australia or Canada. Then change your time zone as you select your country. If you select Australia, then select time zone from Australia, and change your address. So I actually mentioned how can you change your address. And last, complete your profile 100%. So this is actually important tips also. If your account have 70% or 60% and you apply to approve your account, then you have low possibility to approve your account. So make sure your profile actually have 100% complete, then you have high possibility to approve your account. So this is the way guys, how can you approve your account in upwork.com. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this long video.